Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this very beautiful and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your gent sweater, lady sweater, baby sweater. See, it looks like a small boat, this pattern. See, I have done with this border. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast in multiples of 12 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 12 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. For the demonstration I have 25 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12, 24 plus, sorry, for the demonstration I have 27 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12, 24 plus 1 extra stitch 25 and 2 edge stitch 27. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 2 together and yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over purl 5, yarn in front first, yarn over purlwise. The next stitch is going to be purl, so yarn in front, yarn over purlwise and then purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, and in back yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, knit these two together through the back loop, SSK, yarn over SSK and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, sorry, yes, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over SSK, knit 1. This is the repeat pattern, and you're gonna repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat here, so repeat that again. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over purl 5, yarn in front, yarn over purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back, yarn over SSK, and knit 1. We have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 and every wrong side rows, purl all stitches, slip your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side and then purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, and here yarn over purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, yarn over purlwise, yarn in front first, yarn over purlwise and then purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 7, yarn in back, yarn over, knit twice, and then SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Sorry, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, yarn over, SSK. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 7, yarn in front, yarn over, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn in back, yarn over, SSK. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. From this row, I am going to skip my all wrong side rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So, I am going to skip for all wrong side rows from this pattern, sorry, from this row wrong side. So, row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here, knit 2 together. Sorry, the repeat pattern starts from here after this knit 2 together. So, first knit 2 together and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, yarn in front, yarn over, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, purl 9, yarn over and SK2P. For these 3 stitches, we are going to do SK2P, which is this pattern here, this pattern, right? So, for these 3, we have done yarn over here. For these 3, first slip 2, sorry, SK2P means slip 1, knit twice and knit 2 together, knit the next 2 together and pass this slip stitch over this knit 2 together, like so. That's the SK2P and then yarn over, sorry, SK2P. That's the repeat from here to here after this knit 2 together, from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done yarn over, purl 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and yarn over and SK2P, right? Repeat that again. Sorry, we don't have enough stitches for another repeat, right? We don't have enough stitches for another repeat. So, for a last 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. For a last 12 stitch, yarn over, purl wise, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yarn in back, yarn over, knit 2, sorry, SSK. SSK. Here you do knit together and here SSK and your last edge stitch knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, for row 7 your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, yarn in back, yarn over, knit twice and SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 2, yarn in front, yarn over, purl wise and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 2, and last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch, slip. Start the repeat from here, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, yarn in back, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 3, yarn in front, yarn over, purl wise, and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, purl 3. Again, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn in front, yarn over, purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. And your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 10, for row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, your edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, yarn in back, yarn over, knit twice, and then SK2P, slip 1, knit twice, knit 2 together, and pass the slip stitch over, and yarn over, purl wise, and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, purl 4. Again, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back, yarn over, SK2P, slip 1, knit twice, knit 2 together, and pass the slip stitch over, yarn in front, yarn over, purl wise, and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 12, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.